Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find UAE Pass phone number of customer service. For that, you will have to come on the official website of uaepass.ae, and over here you just have to scroll down on this page, and here in the bottom you will see their contact number, so you can simply call them here and you can just get the solution of your problems. You can even see a bunch of different other methods to contact with the customer service executive of UAE Pass, like via call and via email address. Now if you want to use another method, like if you want to report a specific problem, you can simply click on the report option, and here you need to provide all of these details and press request. So with this method they are going to contact you via email address, but you can even directly call on this number. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.